Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Roomba. And if you have the app on your phone, one of the things that you can do that's really cool is that you can tell Roomba to vacuum certain rooms. And that's done by the map that it has of your house. And so it's going to divide your house into rooms, and you can add dividers if you want to create as many rooms as you want, really, and as many different spaces as you want. So how do we add a room? Is basically we're going to open the app and we're going to click over here. There's the map, and then the different floors of your house is going to have different floors. So if I go to the main floor, then I can see that I have my apartment here, and you see these lines here. That's a divider for a different room. So I can move those dividers, and I can also add new ones. So if I want to add a new one, I just go here at the bottom left, I click on Room Dividers. And then at the bottom I have the option to, and see it, all these dividers, they turn blue. So I can select a divider, but I can add a divider, and it's going to give me this blue line here, which I can then move around, and I can put wherever I want on the house to create a new divider. So I can also with my fingers, I can twist it to give it whatever shape I want it to have to create the divider in the exact room that I want to create. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.